morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung over at Allendale's trading floor. It's Thursday, December 31st, starting the day off with some more support here in the corn and bean market. Continuing to break into new contract highs, finding some great support, with wheat looking to find a little bit of profit taking after yesterday's impressive gains. On the fundamental side of things, we are seeing the dollar still hover around those two-year lows, but finding minor support here. We have the dollar and corn that broke into new highs with the U.S. dollar equivalent of 10.45. And we also have, like I said earlier, the end of the year, end of the month, end of the quarter, end of the week. So could see, especially with what we saw out of corn and beans throughout the entire month, large volatility into this market, especially going into the end of the day. Another thing we have to be monitoring is this new strain of coronavirus. It looks like it has finally entered stateside, with it entering Southern California, and China also reporting new cases showing that it is spreading over there as well. So definitely something to be watching with the new administration coming in that has made it more than obvious that they will look to be curtailing anything in order to try and stop this virus, potentially seeing another lockdown in the future. So we'll have to monitor that situation, see how they do come in and make adjustments to our country and how they will look to be taking care of this virus. On the technical side of things, we are seeing corn still working its way higher. Nice uptrend, as everyone clearly sees and clearly has known over the last several months. But we do still have this gap up here on the most active chart between 528 and 540 that we will be watching. You do have some resistance just below that gap entrance. So we'll be watching that going forward with the support that continues to come in this corn market. At this point, doesn't seem far out of the realm of possibilities that this could happen. Right now, we seem to be in peak emotional state for this corn market, just continuing to buy it with both hands, much like with the bean market. So we'll see if you do get some kind of big flush here at the end of the day. That could change this picture, but as of right now, clear uptrend still in play. On the cash side, or livestock side of things, you do have box beef that is up a little bit for choice, up 438 for select on the PM report, with carcass also a bit higher. On the technical side of things, you had hogs reject the upper bounds of their range yesterday, coming back within the weekly range to close out here yesterday. So we'll be watching this. Watch for a continued range-bound trade at this point, seeing how we do interact with China going forward with a new administration coming in. So going forward, we have a conference coming up here at the end of January. You got Drew Lerner with his first weather outlook. So definitely something to be taking a peek at to get some marketing plans together early. We saw how well last year went and how you really need to be on top of these things. So if you guys have any questions, please give us a call, 800-262-7538. Ask for Zach. He'll get you signed up for the conference and get all that great information in your hands. Any questions for me directly, please give me a call, 815-578-6177. But today for Allendale, this is Mike Lung. You guys have a great one out there, and Happy New Year.